So here's how to open a country blocked website in Chrome. Before we start, you can click on my link down in the description to try out PureVPN for free. Start by opening your browser and go to disneyplus.com. As you can see, Disney Plus is not available in my region. Now, let's open the PureVPN application on your PC. Here, tap on the location as shown to change the location of the VPN, for example, Australia. Then, tap on Connect and wait for it to connect. Your device is now successfully connected to this server. After that, go back to your browser and refresh the page. As you can see, I'm now able to access Disney Plus from my region using the VPN. I can browse and explore all the available movies, TV series, and more on Disney Plus. And that's it. You can now easily open Country Block website in Chrome.